Productivity. Why do you need it? Humans are made to create. We create music and videos and art. We create our careers and lives. And most importantly, we create experiences. Stop creating and you will stop living. You will be sad and anxious and depressed. Your brain and body start breaking down when you stop creating. You don't die, but you stop truly living. So, the way to live is simple. It is to create. But how do you do that? It's difficult to find the time. There's always interruptions and distractions and things that make you feel good now and not later. This is where productivity comes in. It is the set of skills that will help you create. You start with habits. Understand habits. Get to know how they work and how to hack them. Get rid of the bad habits or replace them. Build some good micro habits. You do 1,000 things by habit every single day. Fix them and you make your days amazing. Get enough of those amazing days and you get an epic life. And that's just the first step. Then you start thinking about momentum, rituals, meditation, focus, attention, and more. The sky is the limit for how much you can really create. So let's go above and beyond creating. Let's be proactive and passionate about it. Let's craft an epic life. Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm here to help you craft that epic life. So if you want some help on that journey, check out the channel, subscribe, and join the Discord. And let's craft an epic life together.
Subscribe to Jordan and stay awesome.